how to view the battery capacity on the Samsung Galaxy S25, S25 Plus, Edge or Ultra. First, tap on the home button to return back to the home screen. And from the home screen here, swipe down at the top to open up quick settings. Next, tap on the settings icon. From here, scroll down, then tap on device care. After that, we go down and tap on battery. Then scroll down to the bottom and tap on battery information. In here, you can view information such as battery status, battery level, and battery capacity. So here on this device, at the moment, it shows the battery capacity is 5000 milliamp hour. And that's it. Finally, tap on the home button to return back to the home screen. Thank you for watching this video. If you find it helpful, please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.